Fitbod Premium Strength and Workout App. The pros, the cons. Most people struggle with designing effective strength training programs, but the Fitbod Premium Strength and Workout App takes the guesswork out of lifting. You won't believe how personalized and adaptive it can be for every fitness level. On the plus side, Fitbod generates customized workout plans based on your goals, available equipment, and past performance. The app uses an algorithm to balance muscle groups, intensity, and recovery time, ensuring you get an efficient, well-rounded workout every session. With detailed exercise instructions and videos, even beginners can learn proper form, while experienced lifters can challenge themselves with progressive routines. Fitbod also tracks your lifts, sets, reps, and weights, helping you visualize progress over time. Integration with Apple Health and other trackers ensures that workouts sync seamlessly with your overall fitness plan. Users love the adaptive feature. If you miss a workout or want to change equipment, the app recalculates the plan automatically. On the downside, the premium subscription is required to access advanced features, and those without access to gym equipment may find some workouts limited. The app relies on user input for logging accuracy, so incomplete data can affect the algorithm's recommendations. In conclusion, Fitbod Premium is a smart solution for anyone serious about strength training. Its personalized workouts, adaptive planning, and detailed tracking make it easier to build muscle, avoid plateaus, and improve overall fitness. While equipment access and subscription costs are factors to consider, Fitbod delivers a comprehensive, efficient, and intelligent approach to strength training.